إِنَّا أَعْطَيْنَاكَ الْكَوْثَرَ. We've given you the greatest, the most abundant good.
Study the instances of the Prophet's life, sallallahu alaihi wasallam, where strangers walked in and talked to him with all kinds of things. And you don't find that he's giving anybody a sermon. And nobody's more knowledgeable than deen than the Messenger of Allah, sallallahu alaihi wasallam. So this person came, maybe there should be an opportunity to, just give them a whole dars. No. They come, they ask their question, and this is a very brief conversation. It's actually, what you learn from it, more than anything else, is the Prophet ﷺ is a really good listener. The qualities of his character is that he's a really good listener. What happens with us when we become excited about Islam is, we don't want to listen, we want to make sure everybody else listens. We don't want to listen to anybody. Somebody comes and says, hey, I have a problem, let me sit you down, let me give you a reminder first, let me give you, drop some quotes on you first, then you tell me what your issue is. Because I really like the sound of my own voice. This is a serious problem of character. And it's pushing people further and further away from deen. Those of you that are having trouble in your family because of the issue of Islam, because some family members are not as religious as you like them to be, or they're not religious at all, or they're leaving Islam altogether. And every time you see them at any gathering, you start quoting things at them. Allah will say this, you know what the Prophet said, you know what you're doing is wrong, etc., etc., etc. And that's only pushing them further away. They just think, if I show up again, my mom's just going to drop another khutbah on me. No thanks, I'll go get pizza instead. I'm not coming for dinner. And you're just pushing them further away from deen. All you need to do sometimes is just be a mom. All you need to do sometimes is just be a brother and just be a sister and nothing else. It's okay, let's build those bonds first. Let's have them see you be patient first. And a lot of times people will test you with ignorance to see if you get upset. And then they'll justify, I don't want to be around you because you get upset. And you have to know how to play that game and be better character. And to be ahead of them. So they don't take advantage of that opportunity. You have to disarm people with how you and I carry ourselves. That's what we have to do. This is إِنَّكَ لَعَلَى خُلُقٍ عَظِيمٍ. This is it. And this, by the way, is the most beautiful quality that a believer has. We don't even have to open our mouth and we become a hujjah. We become a case for people. We don't have to preach anything. Which is the way we carry ourselves becomes, something different. People see it in us and say, what is it that makes you like that? I don't meet people like that. Why do you think of things this way? And you haven't quoted anything. You're just carrying yourself with the upright kind of character.